So a lot of people ask one question: how to share my YouTube videos on my social networks? How to reach my social networks? That is called. First of all, I'm selecting my YouTube channel video. Here I can discuss about three options. One video promoting for same thumbnail, same title. First option. Same thumbnail, different title, different description. Second option. Same link, different image, different title. So three options. That is called, we can use option call is YouTube to fb.com, fb linker and anyimage.io. One YouTube link promoting will be total three smart way techniques. One is called same YouTube link, YouTube image, YouTube title and description. First option, that is called YouTube to fb.com. Second one, fb linker. YouTube link will be same, thumbnail will be same, title description will be change. Third one, image change, title change, description change, link will be same. See this one. I'm selecting for particular video. Searching for particular video. I can set option call is one video. Copy the URL. First open the video, you can select it. Select here. Click for convert. We have one question. How do people watch my video? When click, automatically the video will go into where? On the YouTube channel. Here are three benefits. One is called backlinks, free backlinks, and second will be generating for automatic backlink for Facebook and Twitter. Third one, jeweler will be promote and along with the promoting for website. Three option. With last thumbnail shared by Facebook and Twitter. Last will be showing for where? Coming to your YouTube to website. So before sharing this one, select your title, share, properly select. I'm selecting only for share option. In your Facebook, we have the multiple options are there. Timeline, groups, page, friends timeline, everything. Select it. Selecting page. So I'm selecting my page. Click here. Select your place. Here. Post to Facebook. Already done by Facebook by the using this exactly whatever thumbnail and title get shared by your option by using this one. Next one, Twitter. Here I'm not changing any title, any description. As it is, whatever I'm using for title and description, everything will be shared by here. Here only one option is called, you can show the video will be using last thumbnail. How to display by using my Facebook and Twitter? I have checked. That is called, you can use an option for Twitter. We'll check how to display my video, in particular my social network. I'll show coming to Twitter here. Will be like this. Wait. The people can watch this video will be here. Apply LB in this option. So it will show here. Next one. So that is what we can using for this option. This back. So clear? First one is the YouTube to fb.com. Many people can watch this video will be like this. People click for this one, comment will be go to where? The YouTube channel. And next one, you can use option call is FB linker. FB linker purpose, just copy this video. First log in with your Facebook. Log in with your Facebook. It is totally free. Nothing charging for sharing for everything. Copy the link. So what the title will be there? Each and one gram jewelers from design. So this is my title. I'm changing this title will be some more title. So wait for a second. I'm changing for title here. I'm selecting title. Go to FB linker. Change title. Well, there was change. Next. Description can change. Then after that, select option call. Submit. It will take for 27 seconds to the share to the social networks. There may be Facebook or Twitter. The important is called a main purpose using for people. Any YouTube will be promote multiple title, multiple description purpose. Thumbnail will be same, link will be same. You can change your title and description shared by your YouTube video. Suppose one movie is there, one trailer. How to share by your movie trailer from the multiple title, multiple description. Using for FB linker. One is called movie news, one is called film news, one is called cinema news. Now you can share by where first one Facebook. Insert option call is click here. Select option. Check in. Hyderabad. Click for post to Facebook. You can share by your Facebook friends timeline and anywhere you can share by your option. Select this. Click for Twitter. People can watch anything will be using for total large thumbnail. Which one? Large thumbnail. FB link is supported by the Facebook, Google Best, Twitter, Blogger, VK, Pinterest, and Tumblr. YouTube FB will be supported by the only for Facebook and Twitter. My target mostly will be Facebook and Twitter. And last one, the final one, anyimage.io. This is a very important for key role play for your website and YouTube channel. This website will be applicable by the website and YouTube. Remaining both will be applicable by YouTube channel. But anyimage.io applicable by the website and YouTube also. Select first image. Select first image. I can go to my project folder. I can select by image here. So which is you can suitable. After select image, YouTube link will be same. Nothing changing for YouTube link. Changing for image I'm changing. Thumbnail is changed. Title is changed. Description change. So title 1 gram gold necklace. 1 gram gold necklace jewelry design collection for 2019. Select it. Click for finish. It will be sharing for here. First Twitter. Anything will be designed. Same link I am promoting for same image, same title. One is called same thumbnail, different title, different description. Next I'm promoting for different image, different title, different description. Select here. Twitch, Facebook. Select here. Page. How many pages you can share? Any number of pages you can share by here. Share. Page. So people asking question, how many pages you can share by your things? You can how many pages you have? You can share by this. Then enough. You can share by your timeline, your story, friends timeline, and private message, groups and individual pages. Sixth option in your hand to raise your things. Next one, LinkedIn and Google Paste. So this is called promote your videos with the three options. Same link, same title, same description. Same link, same thumbnail, different title, different description. Different images, different title, different description, same link. You have totally three type of smart way to promote your YouTube videos. The finally improve your video views the based on the sharing by the social networks. YouTube to FB supported by two social networks, Facebook and Twitter. FB link supported by the Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, Blogger, VK, Pinterest and Tumblr. Anymaze.io, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Google Plus. So sharing for Google Plus, select your Google Plus. Simple you have option is called. Select here, paste it, post. Everything will be very easy. Now select by LinkedIn. So you can share by your options by Facebook, Twitter, and automatically shared by your LinkedIn, Google Plus, Twitter, and Facebook also. Select here, shared post. Where I am shared by two options. LinkedIn plus Twitter options. So this is called shared by social network using for three options. YouTube to FB, FB linker, and any image.io option. For promoting for YouTube video, multiple title, multiple description, multiple images. This is called increase your YouTube subscriber, YouTube views, automatically increase by your YouTube awareness to the people along with the social